Storing your crypto the wrong way could cost you everything. So let's dive in and discuss 5 of the best wallets for safe crypto storage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, choosing the right wallets is critical in 2025. With hacks, scams, and fake apps on the rise, the safest place to keep your crypto isn't always obvious, okay? Now in today's video, I'm gonna break down the top 5 crypto wallets that you can trust in 2025. And I think that's very important because we all want safety and security with crypto. Now this is gonna cover hardware, mobile, and multi-chain options, so let's dive in. So the first question you might have for me today is, well, what is a crypto wallet? I'm gonna explain that. So a crypto wallet lets you store, send, and receive digital asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of altcoins. Seems pretty cool, right? I know I'd want one if, when I invest in crypto, I definitely have a cold storage wallet, and I think it's something that you need, obviously. Now, there are 2 main types of crypto wallets. A hot wallet, which is connected to the internet, which is great for speed and accessibility, but more exposed to hacks, and we don't want that. Cold wallets are what I go with. I think they're a lot better and they're safer. They're also going to keep your assets safe because it's not connected to the internet. Pretty simple. Offline, more secure, which is perfect for long-term holding. Smart investors often use both. Hot for quick access, cold for secure storage. So the first wallet that we're going to talk about now is Ledger Nano X, and that's on the screen right there for you. And Ledger continues to dominate the cold wallet space. And the Nano X is its flagship model, okay? It supports over 5,000 crypto assets, and it connects with your phone or desktop via Bluetooth using the Ledger Live app. Now, if you're serious about security and hold a large portfolio, then this is a must-have for you, okay? And it's compact, reliable, and has earned the trust of the crypto community over the years, including myself. So yeah, make sure you check out Ledger Nano. I think it's going to be a good one. Check out the website, check out testimonials, all that kind of cool stuff, okay? Now, it's also one of the most trusted cold wallets in the world, okay? And supports over 5,000 crypto assets, pairs with the Ledger Live app. And this is best for long-term holder and serious investors, okay? All right, so the next one we're going to talk about is MetaMask, and we're going to do that now. All right, so the next one on the list is MetaMask, and this is the one that I use, and I've been using it for a long time, and it's the one that I definitely trust the most out of this list, okay? And MetaMask is the most go-to hot wallet for Ethereum and EVM compatible blockchains. Now, it's available as a browser extension, which I have, and mobile app, giving you access to DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 apps, which is really, really awesome, okay? You can check out all the features of MetaMask here on the website. Now, it's also beginner-friendly, yet powerful. Just be cautious. Phishing attacks are common with MetaMask. Always download from the official site and double-check URLs. I think that's very, very important to point out in this video. Now, it's also the most popular Ethereum and Web3 wallet, and it works as a browser extension and mobile app, which is really cool. And it's also perfect for DeFi, staking, and NFT trading, making it quite popular and versatile and user-friendly. And it is best for DeFi users and NFT traders. Now, again, always verify the site URL. There are phishing clones out there, okay? All right, so the next one that we're going to talk about is Trust Wallet, and we're going to do that now. All right, so now we're talking about Trust Wallet, which is owned by Binance. Trust Wallet supports 60-plus blockchains and thousands of tokens. It's a mobile-first wallet with built swaps, staking, and NFT storage, which makes it very versatile. Wide asset support and clean interface make it favorite amongst beginners, okay? Looking for an all-in-one crypto experience. Now, it also is mobile first, and its wallet is owned by Binance. It supports 60-plus blockchains and thousands of tokens, includes staking, swaps, and NFT storage. Very awesome stuff, okay? And this is best for beginners and mobile users. And I think it's a good wallet. It's definitely a secure option for you. Anything you're going to see on this list is going to be the safest things that we've tested out here on the channel, so you could trust my expertise on these matters, okay? All right, so the next one we're going to talk about is Trezor Model T. And we're going to do that right now. All right, so now we're going to talk about Trezor Model T, and this is a ledger that has the biggest competitor in the cold wallet space, okay? The Model T is open source, highly secure, and supports a wide range of coins, all right? Now, it doesn't use Bluetooth, which some users prefer for maximum security. It comes with a touchscreen and regular firmware updates, and it's reliable for long-term cold storage, okay? Now, some of its key features include high security cold wallet, open source with wide token support. No Bluetooth equals extra protection. Now, this is best for security-focused holders, okay? And I highly recommend checking out Trezor.io. I think it's a good cold wallet, and you'll probably like it as well. So the last one we're going to check out is Exodus Wallet, and we're going to do that now. All right, so the last one on our list for the 5 safest crypto wallets in 2025 is Exodus Wallet. Now, Exodus is a sleek, beginner-friendly wallet that works on both desktop and mobile. Now, it supports in-app staking, swaps, and even integrates with Trezor for cold storage. How amazing is that? And what's really cool about Exodus is the interface is visually appealing and simple to use, making it ideal for those just getting started with crypto, okay? It also offers built-in exchange plus staking, integrates with Trezor for cold storage, and it is best for beginners who want an all-in-one solution. Now I'm going to offer you some wallet safety tips, okay? Before we wrap up, here are a few essential security tips to protect your assets. Download wallets only from official websites. Never share your private keys or security phrases, okay? Or seed phrase if you want to call it that. Use two-factor authentication always wherever available. Store cold wallets in a safe place. I think that's pretty standard information. Keep a physical backup of your seed phrase. Never online, okay? Now, whether you're trading daily or holding long-term, choosing a secure wallet is one of the smartest decisions you can make in your crypto journey. Drop a comment below and let me know which wallet you use, or if there's one you think that should have made the list today. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe out there in the crypto world. Take care.
All right, guys, so there you have it, the 5 safest wallets for crypto storage in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for all notifications for more crypto, AI, and finance content. We'll see you in the next video.